Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Your Mom on piano. We will start by identifying the core chords. The song is often played using G major, E minor, and C major with a G in the bass. These three chords form the foundation of the entire piece. Take your time to locate each chord on your keyboard and practice transitioning between them very slowly. Focus on a smooth, even rhythm as you move from one chord to the next. Now, let's apply these chords to the song's structure. You'll find that both the verse and the chorus sections predominantly use the G, E minor, and C major with a G in the bass progression. This makes the song quite accessible for beginners. Concentrate on making your chord changes fluid and precise. Play through the verse and then immediately into the chorus, ensuring a seamless connection between these two important parts of the song. Next, we'll add the melody and left-hand accompaniment. Your right hand will be responsible for playing the song's distinctive melody. Meanwhile, your left hand will provide a solid foundation by playing the root note of each chord or a simple bass line. Start by mastering the right hand melody on its own. Once comfortable, slowly integrate your left hand, playing the bass notes in time with the melody. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. To truly master Call Your Mom, consistent practice is key. Break the song down into smaller sections and practice each part until it feels natural. A metronome is an excellent tool to help you maintain a steady rhythm and improve your timing. Begin at a slow tempo and gradually increase it as your fingers become more accustomed to the movements. Most importantly, remember to enjoy the process and infuse your playing with your own unique musical expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.